Happy hour. I'm Dave, the basement bartender, and today we'll be making a Brandy Flip based on Waffles and Mochi, episode 6, egg. While egg whites are a rather common ingredient in cocktails, very few incorporate the egg yolk. I'm sure we've all had an eggnog around the holidays, which is a cocktail incorporating an egg, as well as one of, or in my case, all of, the holy trinity of spirits: whiskey, brandy, and rum. While eggnog is a delicious seasonal beverage, if you follow Alton Brown's aged eggnog recipe, which in my opinion is the best recipe for eggnog, you'll know that it takes about 6 months to get this right. The Brandy Flip simplifies the eggnog into 3 simple ingredients. But before I tell you about them, let's play the song. Play the song. Oh, right, sorry. Let's get this thing started.
Listen to your vegetables and eat your parents with waffles and mochi. Egg!
Before we get started, if this is your first time watching one of my videos, welcome! I'm so glad you're here. Do me a favor, click the like button down there. I'll wait. If this is your second video or more, welcome back. I'm so glad to see you again. Hit the subscribe button. Seriously, do it. You have no idea what the algorithm does to videos that don't have likes and subscribes.
Can you see eggs are okay?
The Brandy Flip is going to incorporate cognac, egg, and sugar. Cognac is a varietal of brandy that is made from grapes grown and produced in the wine-producing region surrounding Cognac, France. By law, it must be twice distilled in copper pot stills and aged for at least 2 years in French oak barrels. Cognac is grated depending on how long it's been aged in those barrels. VS, or very special, has been aged for at least 2 years. VSOP, very superior old pale, has been aged for at least 4 years. And XO, or extra old, means it's been aged for at least 10 years. I'm going to be using Demerara syrup for this drink. I've made a video in the past on how to make this syrup, and I've included the link below and at the end of this video. And eggs, well, when a mommy and a daddy chicken love each other very much, they go together and—
Are you ready for me to get you out of here? Yes, please.
Yeah, okay. Eggs come from chickens. In a shaker, combine 2 ounces of cognac. I'm using Remy Martin VSOP because friends don't let friends drink VS. Half an ounce of our rich Demerara syrup and 1 whole egg. Well, not the shell. We're gonna dry shake without any ice for about 10 to 15 seconds. And it's gonna give us a really nice foamy froth when we're done. Now add ice to the shaker and shake for an additional 20 to 30 seconds until frost develops on the shaker and it's really cold to touch. Strain into a coupe glass and let it sit there for just a few moments while the egg foam rises to the top. Garnish with a few drops of Peychaud's bitters and fresh grated nutmeg. And just like that, we have the Brandy Flip. Cheers. The yolk of the egg makes this incredibly velvety and rich texture that is just cradled by the warmth of the brandy and its vanilla, caramel, orange spice tones. The nuttiness from the nutmeg goes beautifully with a very, very subtle cherry note from the bitters that just blend beautifully with this grape-based spirit. While the egg may be delicate and fragile, this drink has strong and robust flavors. It creates this wonderful juxtaposition of ingredients. I hope you enjoyed this cocktail. Cheers to you, and as always, in the spirit of waffles and mochi. Thanks, Obama. Come on, like and subscribe. You know you want to.